The sky bleeds into hues of orange and pink. Mount Fuji, a majestic cone, emerges from the darkness. Its snow-capped peak catches the first light of dawn. A silent giant awakens, casting a long shadow across the land. This is Japan, a land of captivating contrasts. The air is crisp and cool. The only sound is the gentle breeze rustling through the trees. The rising sun bathes the landscape in a warm glow. It feels like the beginning of something extraordinary. Kyoto welcomes you with open arms. Wooden houses line narrow streets. Temples peek out from behind ancient trees. You can almost hear the echoes of geishas' footsteps on cobblestone paths. History whispers from every corner. The scent of incense lingers in the air. It mingles with the aroma of green tea. Golden temples gleam under the midday sun. Every detail speaks of a rich and vibrant past. A flash of colour. A rustle of silk. A geisha glides by, her face a porcelain mask. Her every movement is a work of art. She embodies the grace and refinement of Japanese tradition. Her hair, adorned with delicate ornaments, is a masterpiece. Her kimono, a canvas of intricate patterns, tells a story. She is a living legend, a symbol of a timeless culture. Thousands of vibrant red torii gates snake up the mountainside. Fushimi Inari Shrine, a place where the spiritual and natural worlds meet. Each gate is a prayer, a testament to faith. Sunlight filters through the gates, casting an ethereal glow. You walk beneath them, feeling a sense of peace. The air hums with a quiet energy. This is a sacred space. Sushi, a symphony of taste. The sushi chef moves with precision. His hands work quickly, yet with a delicate touch. He transforms simple ingredients into a culinary masterpiece. Each piece of sushi is a work of art. Fresh fish glistening with the sea. Vinegared rice, perfectly seasoned. Wasabi, a touch of fire. All come together in a harmony of flavors. This is the essence of Japanese cuisine. Nara, where nature embraces faith. Deer roam freely in Nara Park. They graze peacefully amongst ancient temples. Here, nature and spirituality exist in perfect harmony. The air is filled with the scent of cedar and incense. Todaiji Temple stands tall, home to the great Buddha statue. It is a symbol of peace and enlightenment. The sound of chanting monks echoes through the halls. A sense of tranquility washes over you. Tsukiji, a sea of energy. The Tsukiji fish market explodes with life before dawn. It is a whirlwind of activity and noise. Auctioneers shout, their voices competing with the clatter of fishmongers. The air is thick with the smell of the ocean. Giant tuna gleam under bright lights. Buckets overflow with colourful seafood. The energy is contagious. This is a place where commerce and tradition collide. Tea ceremony, rituals of tranquility. The tea room is a haven of peace. The tea master moves with graceful precision. Every gesture is imbued with meaning. The tea ceremony is a meditation in motion. The aroma of matcha fills the air. You sip the tea slowly, savouring each drop. The bitterness is balanced by a subtle sweetness. Your mind stills. You are present in this moment. Ikebana, poetry in bloom. Ikebana is more than just flower arrangement. It is an art form, a way of expressing emotions through nature. Each stem, each leaf is placed with intention. A single flower can evoke a world of emotions, a delicate balance of colour and form. Ikebana is a testament to the Japanese appreciation for simplicity and elegance. Shibuya, a symphony of motion. Shibuya Crossing. A sea of humanity surges across the intersection. It is a mesmerizing spectacle, a symbol of modern Tokyo's vibrant energy. Yet amidst the chaos there is a sense of order. People move with purpose, they navigate the crowds with ease. This is a city that never sleeps. Zen gardens, miniature universes. A Zen garden is a microcosm of nature. Carefully raked gravel represents the ocean. Rocks symbolize mountains. It is a place for contemplation and reflection. The simplicity of the design is deceptive. It invites you to look deeper, to find peace within. The garden is a reminder that true beauty lies in simplicity. Arashiyama, a bamboo symphony. Step into the bamboo forest of Arashiyama. Towering bamboo stalks soar skyward. Sunlight filters through the leaves, creating a dappled effect. It is like stepping into another world. The wind whispers through the bamboo, creating a symphony of sound. The air is cool and refreshing. You feel a sense of awe and wonder. A monk's path steps to serenity. A lone monk walks along a stone path. His orange robes stand out against the green moss. He moves with a quiet grace. His footsteps are the only sound. He is a symbol of peace and serenity, a reminder to slow down, to appreciate the simple things. His presence is a calming influence in this chaotic world. Fuji's starry vigil. As darkness descends, Mount Fuji stands sentinel. Its silhouette is etched against the night sky. Stars twinkle above, casting a silvery glow on the snow-capped peak. The world is asleep, but Fuji remains awake. It is a timeless scene, a reminder of the enduring power of nature, a symbol of hope. No matter what challenges life throws your way, Fuji will always be there. Discover your own Japan. Japan is a land of contrasts. Ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life. Nature's beauty can be found in bustling cities and tranquil gardens. It is a country that will captivate your senses and soothe your soul. Come discover your own Japan. Let its beauty inspire you, let its serenity calm you, let its spirit move you. Japan awaits.